Hello, good morning the students of class plus 2. In this video we come to the topic optical instruments. The first topic in the optical instrument is the simple microscope. So what is simple microscope? It is simple the instrument that is used to see very small object as magnified ones. So what is simple microscope? It's simply a magnifying glass that is a simply convex lens of small focal length. If the objects are very small, we put the magnifying glass near to it and we get its virtual, magnified and erect image. Actually, the object is placed between the focus and the optical center of the convex lens and we get its erect, virtual and magnified image. Now how the image is formed? It is more clear with this figure. Here this is the convex lens and of small focal length. The object which is to be magnified is placed in between the focus and optical center. The convex lens forms its virtual, erect and magnified image here at A dash B dash. It is so adjusted that image should be at the that is the least distance of distinct vision, that is at 25 centimeter. Here we have considered that our eye and the convex lens are nearer to each other, and that's why the angle subtended by the image to the lens can be taken as equal to the angle subtended by the image to the eye. Now if we consider अगर ये object भी यहाँ रखा होता, means AB is placed at A dash P, तो angle subtended by the object would be, that is alpha, and angle subtended by the image to the lens, that is beta. Now come to the magnifying power. What is magnifying power? That is equal to the ratio of angle subtended by the image to the lens or to the eyes upon angle subtended by the object to the lens or to the eye, and that is equal to beta by alpha. But case is there, both should be, that is the image or object should be placed at least distance of distinct vision. Here we have considered that ye object and that is placed at the least distance of distinct vision. Then we can only compare the angle subtended by both. Now the angles are considered to be very small. So beta is nearly equal to tan beta, and this tan beta equal to A dash B dash upon A dash C. And tan alpha is nearly equal to alpha. So tan alpha is equal to A dash B upon A dash C. By putting the values we get in this way, and we get the equal to A dash B dash upon AB. What is A dash B dash? That is size of image, and AB is the size of object, and that's equal to H dash upon H. And as we have derived in the last videos also, that size of image upon size of object is equal to distance of image upon distance of object. Here distance of image is D and minus D, that is minus 25 centimeter, or distance of object is also minus U. The magnifying power is equal to D upon U. Now for the another expression, by taking the lens formula in this way, and we get that U is minus U and V is minus D, putting the values, so D upon U becomes equal to 1 plus D upon F. This is the magnifying power of the simple microscope when the image is at least distance of distinct vision, and that is 1 plus D upon F. Now if the case is different, that object is placed at the focus, the final image will be at infinitive. This is the case of normal adjustment, that when we see the image with the relaxed eye, the image is at infinitive. In that case, this is the angle subtended by the image and same is the angle subtended by the object. And this is the lens formula, but U is minus U and V is at infinitive. And 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. We know that magnifying power is equal to D upon U, तो u is equal to f. तो u is equal to f and magnifying power is also equal to beta upon alpha. It's equal to d upon u. तो u is equal to f. Then also the magnifying power is d upon f. So this is the case of simple microscope, that is only one convex lens is used just to magnify the image of the object, which are smaller ones, and we can magnify it only once. Now in the next video we will find how the object is more magnified by using the two lenses. In that case we can see those objects also which cannot see with the naked eye. So you do practice of this article and we will meet in the next turn.